Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA X30, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find a power saving mode, or as it's called exactly here, battery saver. Now once you see this toggle, simply press on it. It will bring up a quick information on what it changes. So battery saver will restrict power consuming activities, background apps, activities, visual effects, gestures. I don't think it refers to these gestures, just mentioning. Gestures, touch sounds, vibrations, and etc. Automatically to save power. Let's just click on OK. So as you can see, the gestures are still here. It also lowered down a little bit of the brightness of the device, and most likely it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used, and we connected them just from time to time to just kind of sync up whatever notifications you might be missing. But yeah, that is basically our power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to disable it, again find the toggle once more and tap on it once again to turn it off. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.